seed starting tray and another tray. We have the Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to do another product review from Vego. This time, we are reviewing the two-tier Grow Light Garden. So out of the box, this is what we have. We have the top part of the shelving, of the stand rather. We have a seed starting tray and another tray. We have the actual stand pieces itself. We have the coasters for here. We have the Grow Light, 2-pack Grow Light there. And they even gave me some gloves. So we're going to go ahead and put this together via time lapse and come back. Okay, we have the top and bottom put together. Next, we're going to put on the coasters, and we're going to flip this over onto its back. so that it's laying down like this. At the end of here is a little hole that the wheels just push into, just like that. So these lock into place as well. So whenever I want to unlock it or put it in a place where I don't want it to move, I just lock the coasters and it'll stay in place. Okay, the shelving has been popped into place. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put in the grow light, and we'll be finished with the installation. Okay, here are the LED lights, and on the front of it, you have your on off, you have your 5 modes: seeds, leafy, fruits, herb, and microgreens. Now, it comes with 2 lights such as this, and it also comes with a magnet that clips on top. There is little 3M tape that's here. You pull the tape off, and you're going to take it and stick it underneath in the middle where you want it. And it will immediately grab hold and stay there. And there you go. And your light is installed. And we'll do the same thing with the second one. Place it on. And we're going to put it under here. And it's magnetized and stuck there. Now we have the power cord that comes with it. And we'll plug in the power cords and be ready to go. So as you can see, both of the grow lights are on and they're quite bright. So a few things that I mentioned: it has 5 customized growing modes to whatever you're growing. It has the seed mode, the leafy mode, the herb mode, the fruit mode, and the microgreen mode. This is functional and practical. It has the potting station. You can use it as such, or you can also use it as a plant display without having the lights on. It has, both of the lights have full spectrum, so you'll be able to grow your food. And I mentioned before that it has bottom watering shelves for healthier seeds. Now, I know that there's some debate about whether you should water from the bottom or not. Personally, I prefer to water from the bottom. That way I don't disturb my seeds from the top. And it's designed to fit 10-20 seeding trays, which is what I use. And you can control each of the lights independently. You can have one on seed, and you can have the other on leafy, or whichever one you're using. This also comes with hardware so that you could connect it or place it, adhere it to your wall. And I didn't use those because I'm not going to be nailing it to my wall or anything like that. But you can secure it to the wall so that if you're not going to be moving it around or anything like that, it stays in one place. There is a link and a discount code listed, and I'll put that on the screen momentarily, and I'll also put it in the comment and description portion of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is something a little different from me. Vego, I'm affiliated with them, and they make great products. So if you're interested in purchasing, go ahead and get one. So until next time, always remember to give a thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.